一起加入客家风情，大家来讲客家吧。
Yo, 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 it's time for Conversational Hakka on ICRT.
Hello， 你好，大家好，我是 Alice Pong.
Hello, 你好，大家好，我是 Joseph Ling. This month, it's a phrase about people who are just chasing after something because they want to hurry up and get something done or finish something or complete something. It's 快一点。That's hurry up. All right, 快一点。什么状况要快一点？当然，
赶火车，
我感觉很急，对不对？
对，火车跑掉了。
对，都是一样。We actually hear this a lot when we're at train stations, right, or airports even, right? Let's put you in this situation where someone is trying to hurry up and catch a plane or a train. How's that? Okay, let's hear this conversation.
隔地位火车就会出发嘞。
不過，我這唔甜筒誒。
佢之後等下一邊查嘅嘞。
好像要等下一班的意思，对不对？好像是里面 Yeah, actually that's one thing that, you know, if you can't catch a train, maybe you just have to wait for the next one. So let's break these sentences down, all right? 所以第一句话是什么？
隔地位
快一点 Yeah.
火車就會出發嘞。
哦，就是火車就要出發了。Okay.
走掉咯。
The train is about to depart, all right? 所以火車叫
火車
火車出
發嘞。
出發嘞 OK 出發嘞就 means to depart OK 要出發了所以要 get 掉位 OK
但是帶那麼多東西
但是可是我跑不動了
唔過我走唔停筒嘞
我走唔停筒嘞
跑不動了
走就是跑嘛對不對走 that means to run 唔停筒嘞就是跑不動了啦對 So I guess you just give up 這時候就只能放棄了
所以呢那你就等下一班就好
對
啦
那只好等下一班車了
幾之後等下一邊查的嘞
等下一邊查的嘞等 just means wait 下一邊 that means 下一班車子查 alright that means the train or any car any vehicle is 查 alright 好我們來 review 幾個這個單字好了包括這個火車好了火車 that's the train 出發 to depart 出發 okay that means to depart and then 下一班下一邊 okay that means the next one and this month we're teaching you the phrase again 快一點get away again you're going to hear this a lot when you're at train stations let's go ahead and listen to this conversation again
火車就會出發嘞
不過我這唔甜筒誒
佢之後等下一邊查嘞
And there you have it 輕輕鬆鬆出門平平安安回家好不好 Alright that does it for this conversational Hakka
是母太家
俺只say 張來了
客家風情由客家委員會監製
We Love Hakka has been brought to you by the Hakka Affairs Council